Hi guys, this is Riya Agarwal, founder of Riya Agarwal Architect. Today I'm going to take you around one of our very interesting projects we did at Ashiana Daksh in Jaipur. We clubbed two flats together, one 3 BHK and 2 BHK, giving us a huge plate to work on, a 4 BHK residence for a family structure of grandparents, client itself, and two kids in the house with a guest room. When he came to us, he wanted something that even if he shifts out from the main house, he still feels rooted to his parental space, and that's where was a challenge. We thought of creating a space which is little Indianized in its touch. I'll quickly take you around this entire space that we did for a client, which is come up to be like a modern Indian home. The entire space has been done with a neutral earthy color tone palette. This time in the walls, we've used little bit of cappuccino taupe sort of color rather than going for very bright cream or off-white walls. This cappuccino color added warmth in the house. The play of textures, patterns, even the lights, the play of lights and the placement of hanging lights, everything has been done in a manner that it creates a very cozy environment for the habitants. The layouting has been done in such a manner that the entire hall, the dining and living area are open, and they are segregated with one small wall in between, which is actually a structural column which we could not take out, but that acted as a semi-partition between the private space and the public space. The kitchen is an open kitchen which is again facing your dining area, so that gives a more bigger look. It doesn't look like an apartment kitchen if in case you see in the photos. There's one very unique artwork that we did for our client, which is right in the center of the hall. This is something which you see when you just enter, and this artwork is a mix of 2 to 3 types of art forms. One is the hand painting that we did. We customized this hand painting. The impressions that you see is sort of a silhouette painted on the wall, and the character of the silhouette is basically the jharokas and the chhatris and the bashan walls that you see, which is again a vision that we draw from the old city. There is also another art form that we mixed in together along with this, which is the tikri artwork. Again, it's an Indian form of art. We've placed few lanterns and birds in this tikri art form. They all are clubbed together to create this one nice artwork. Since everything was looking very neutral, that one nice wine red color sofa actually uplifted the space and the entire scheme of the space, and which eventually drew us to the next decision that how would the chandelier look like. So without any thought, we went for the blown glass chandelier this time, and we picked on the colors, which is the wine red color and green color, which we picked on the dining chair and the sofa, and they were placed together, integrating the dining and the living area together. If you want to see more of my projects or book a consultation, please do visit Interior Keys. You will find more of interesting projects on there.